Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Well, it's that time of the year again, so we must be cooking a turkey. What we're going to do is brine this turkey for 7 to 8 hours, then we're going to get into the Ninja wood-fired oven to cook. We're going to be using Angus and Oink's meat tinsel rub and also the Pellet Man's turkey blend pellets. So come on, let's get on with it.
First thing we need to do is make our brine. So I've got 1.5 litres of cold water. I'm just going to put this into a warm pan and start bringing it up to temperature. Then we're going to add 200 grams of coarse sea salt, followed by 100 grams of soft brown sugar. Then we've got 2 whole bay leaves, 2 sprigs of thyme, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 10 black peppercorns, and the zest from 1 orange. We're just going to keep warming this and stirring it till all the salt and the sugar is dissolved. Once that's dissolved, we're going to remove it from the heat. In a container, we've got another 1.5 litres of cold water, and we're going to put this warm mixture into it. Once it's in, we're going to give it a good stir and allow the whole mixture to cool down. So this is our turkey. It's 3.5 kilos. That's about £8. So we're just going to submerge it into our brine. This will just about fit in here. I'm putting it in with the backbone upwards. We'll get the lid on and we're going to refrigerate this for between 7 and 8 hours. We're looking at 1 hour per 500 grams of weight. So we've had our 7.5 hours and now it's time to remove the turkey. We're just going to lift it and let it drain out. Get it onto our cooking rack and then we're going to get some kitchen towel and just pat this dry. Pat it all over, get it nice and dry. Then we're going to use our meat tinsel from Angus and Oink. We're going to give this a good covering and you can smell those Christmas smells with this. It's amazing. You've got cinnamon and all that type of stuff coming through on this smell. So we'll give it a good covering. And our orange that we remove the zest from, well, you know where we're going to stuff that. In it goes. And that will steam and make some nice orange fragrance on the inside. To monitor this cook, we're going to use the Meter Plus. So we're going to insert that. For the smoke, we're going to use the Pellet Man's turkey blend pellets. Just fill the hopper. Get it in, and now it's time to get the machine on. So we're going to go on to smoker. We're going to set to 170C, that's 340F. I'm going to put about 3 hours on the timer, that should be plenty. Wood smoke on, and there we go, and we're off. So also, we're going to use this. This is the heat deflector from the Pellet Man as well. I'm just going to push that in using the pellet rack tool. Close it up and let that warm up as well while the smoke's dying down. Pull the rack out and in goes the turkey. Now this is going to be a tight fit. Just going to go in. And if you look at this, you look at that red hot element right above the turkey. This is what burns your meat and this is why you need the heat deflector. Let's get the door shut and get on. So this is 1 hour in. Look at that. Nice colour and not burnt. So now all we're going to do is come in and remove this heat deflector and start getting some colour onto this turkey. Door shut. And after another hour we're going to come in and just look at the colour on that turkey. It's got a nice deep mahogany colour and it's not burnt. We'll get this out and get it rested. All the equipment and the gear that we've used is all from the Pellet Man, and there'll be links in the description below where you can go and purchase it.
So there you have it, folks. This is Dutchy's Christmas turkey cooked in a Ninja wood-fired oven. We've also used Angus and Oink, meat tinsel and turkey blend pellets from the Pellet Man. I think it's about time we got in and had a look. So look at that, there's some nice moist turkey breast there. Just going to pull it apart. We'll go for a taste. I must admit, this is the first time I've ever brined a turkey, and yes, there is some flavour there. There's smoke there, you can taste that smoke, and also you can taste that Angus and Oink meat tinsel. I'm going to carry on and get some more of this. Must admit, the deeper you go into this turkey, the more juicier it is.